Welcome back to Tech in the News. It is Thursday, July 30th, 2020, and today I just kind of want to do a short little appreciation post for the newest installment of Microsoft Flight Simulator. If you haven't seen the trailer for it, I'm going to play it for it here for everyone else to view, and then give my thoughts and input on it at the end. So let's go ahead and watch it now. So after watching that, I'm just going to, come out with it and just say I was blown away when I first saw that trailer. I probably saw that trailer about 2 or 3 weeks ago. But now they actually have a release date for it, which is August 18th. Myself, I had never been a flight simulator person interested in that before in the past. But what's interesting about this game, and I'm just going to make it as generic as possible, they have literally included the entire world in this game. The entire world, planet Earth, is in this game. You can fly around the entire world, and you can explore anywhere you want. You can take off from just about any airport you want, and you can just choose a location on the globe, and then it will load in that area, and then you'll just be flying above it. You'll just spawn in like that. And so you can fly over your house, you fly over your office, you can do whatever you want to do. It's fantastic. So my thoughts, I'm really excited for it. I can't wait to see what the community brings to it. It's going to have a lot of third-party content. They're only going to be actually going in depth and detail on about 40 airports, I believe. But they are going to add third-party content, which will add, other planes, other airports, more in-depth details. From what I know, they're taking pictures from Bing Map and using that to generate the world itself. It will slowly generate as you go, filling up your temporary memory and then, erasing it as you're no longer in that area. So you will need a decent computer with decent internet speed connection in order to get the best content out of it. But I'm just really excited for this. I haven't done a flight sim since I was like 4 or 5 years old, I feel like. So this is something I feel like will get a lot of people back into it. But that's it. That's my take on it. Feel free to let me know your take in the comment section below. And that was Tech in the News for Thursday, July 30th, 2020. Have a good one.